Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa gara waka subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaburitswa ne ma political parties ne ma political analysts ayabuda criticize the former Citizens Coalition for Change leader Zvaudzwa Chamisa nekukola kwa wakaita for the Southern African Development Community SADC kuti invalidate ma elections akaitwa muswa 23 August mugora 2023 ma critics abuda achitaura achiti Chamisa uyo akaluza ma presidential elections to President Emmerson Mnangagwa achisina party yakurepresenta under so zirikunzi achakwanise so hapasina solution to nyaya yeSADC yekuinvalidate kuma elections neSADC. Chamisa akabuda achiaddressa the media achiurge SADC kuti intervene mu nyaya yakabuda achidescribe as a governance crisis and leadership dispute. This name actions ake yakakondemwa ni vanhu vakawanda vachitaura vachiti Chamisa is undermining the regional bloc's reputation, particularly ahead of the 44th summit of heads of state iyo iri kuitirwa muHarare muna August. So the ZANU-PF's Director of Information and Publicity Farai Marapira vakadismissa ma statements aChamisa vakamadzidescribe as sensationalist politics vachitaura ivo vachiti my elections akatopera right, and the nation has moved on and they are now focusing on ma developmental issues. Ma political analysts akabuda achicriticize zvakare vaChamisa vachiva accuser of misunderstanding role yeSADC muma elections. Vakabuda vachinota vachitaura vachiti function yeSADC ndeyekuadvisa rather than kunullify ma elections. Ma analysts akaurge Chamisa kuti engaging in constructive political dialogue vachisuggesta ivo vachiti arifanira kuconsider kuparticipate in the President Mnangagwa's political actors dialogue iyo inonzi Pollard platform iyo yakadesign for ma losing presidential candidates kuti vaaddress ma concerns avo. Zvakare Linda Masarira, the leader of the Labour Economists and African Democrats LEAD party akabuda achitaura iye achiti appeal yaChamisa kuSADC inoleka legitimacy since he no longer leads the Citizens Coalition for Change, iyo party yakacontesta ma elections achishandisa muri Zimbabwe. President Emmerson Mnangagwa vari set to become the incoming SADC chair vakawina ma elections 2023 ne 52.6% yema votes. Chamisa akawana 44%. Then ma smaller political parties collectively akareceive 3.4% yema votes. So Chamisa my actions aChamisa yakaspaka ma akonzeresa a debate about the regional bodies regional bodies since there is need for an important dialogue politically muri Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti muniono sei nyaya iyi. Ma political analysts mazhinji yakacriticize Zvaudzwa Chamisa nemove yaakaitai muri Zimbabwe. The one uyanonzi Douglas Mandaza akacriticize Chamisa's approach achitaura achiti it was being out of touch with the current sentiments of the people. Abuda achitaura achiti is 9 months down the line. People have moved on. He abandoned the party after frustration and stopped the politics. Now he is calling for SADC to create a roadmap. It seems like he is working backwards to remain relevant in the political discourse. Mandaza akabuda achitaura zvakare achiti Chamisa should unite with other opposition members to devise a collective solution rather than to pursue individual action. Kabuda achitaura achiti 9 months to try and change things is not going to work. People have moved on. He can't make a solution by himself. He needs to come together with all opposition members and civic groups to develop a collective strategy, not pursue individual efforts to force SADC's hand. This approach feels like kindergarten politics. Another political analyst of South Africa, Zimbabwe Bashona, yakabuda accuser Nelson Chamisa achiti he is manipulating the public opinion. Akabuda shara achiti we need to be clear about people who want to lead us. Nelson Chamisa is not an amateur in Zimbabwean politics. He joined at a young age and understands what needs to be done. He knows when and how it should be done. He is a well-trained lawyer who understands Zimbabwean politics. He has been playing with our minds, reacting to how people have been accepting job seeker in recent weeks. Kabuda Zakari, achitaura achiti Chamisa is worried that his supporters are now sympathizing with job seeker. There is nothing new in what he is saying that he didn't say in 2018. It's the same story with different jacket. Another press statement might come in few weeks just to keep discussing his plans, but the reality is that the opposition has been in power in many towns and cities for 23 years. Show us what they have done to improve the electorate's lives today. Another speaker, Kabuda Staura, achiti Chamisa akamisa the opportunity to address the election issues promptly after my 2023 elections. Kabuda Staura achiti this is a man many of us voted for in 2018 and 2023. At some point, we have to be honest. Chamisa should have acted immediately after the elections. The iron should have been struck while it was hot. Now it's difficult to bend the iron when it has lost its heat. That's what I hear. Actually, as long as we keep talking about change through meetings, we are out of touch with what the streets are saying. Another speaker uyo anonzi Bekitemba akabuda achitaura achiti he's a following supporter. What was the purpose of that press statement? We know how SADC behaves. Another political analyst Sakari anonzi PaNyaya akabuda criticize Chamisa nekwapandwa kwa akaita his political party before SADC respond to my questions anga wakaraisa. Kabuda achiti Chamisa sought SADC's indulgence, which was a good move, but then he decided to leave the party. Why did he leave when the issues were raised with SADC? He should have waited for SADC to adjudicate and assist, since he realized some things were beyond his power. But Chamisa talks about a roadmap to fix the country, but we don't need to go to the next elections with baggage of 2023 still hanging. He mentions intercessors, religious communities, and CSOs, but we have been down this road before. What is new this time around? My political analyst has criticized Nelson Chamisa the move about his press conference yakabuditsa achiti is consulting SADC kuti igadzirise nyaya elections yakaitika mugore 2023. Singaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.